generic. But it's got a streamer recovery. It may land on the building. I don't know. Yeah, it's a building. I think we're okay because the parachute's a little messed up. Yeah, I don't think it's going to be a roof. It's going to land. Yeah, we're okay. All right. Interesting. Well, you got it back. That parachute, we're gonna recover it, I think, but it's not, it's like melted parachute. It's gonna come down. All right, look at it. Oh, it didn't come out all the way.